Hey guys, it's been so long, like a long time since I've picked up the camera. It's Christmas time and I decided that, you know what, let me just vlog. So this is gonna be the Christmas vlog, you know, that once in a blue moon vlog that you guys are, I guess, used to by now. When things happen, I vlog. So it's Christmas, nothing's really happening, but I just got my hair done. I didn't really think about vlogging it at first. I was pretty much just focused on getting to the appointment. Anyways, I'll show you guys the clippings. I really love how this turned out, and of course I will plug the hairstylist in the description and of course on screen so you guys can check her out. She does really good work, very professional, really enjoyed the experience, and she even surprised me. So y'all will see that in the clip. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and let me know what y'all think of my Christmas hairdo. First time getting invisible locks and I am in love. So yeah, let me know what y'all think.
I'm gonna promise I'm a man first.
Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. Bitches wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? You the man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm doing as well.
Christmas. You're welcome, and thank you for your patience and support. I appreciate you.
It's Christmas Eve and I'm actually finally going to do some Christmas shopping. Well, I really don't have anything on my list to get because I am really not planning to do much this Christmas, but I'm gonna go shopping to see what it is I see that I like. Yeah, maybe tonight I will vlog when we go out. We're supposed to be going clubbing, I think. Come with me because I'm going to New Bay to do some shopping. So yeah. This is New Bay. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I didn't really get much in there. I just got a few stuff. I bought earrings, not even a focus, but yeah, I got these, got 2 of these because bought these last month and they're finished, and so I'm just replenishing my stock. Really good. I really love this particular deodorant because it's really strong. It does last as long as they say 72 hours, and yeah, get them. So got these Exotica Ice car fresheners for the cars. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go to Lian Mart to see if I see anything else that I like. So guys, we just got to Lian Mart, well, Tian Mart, well, I call it Lian Mart, and I'll show you guys what's happening inside here. Guys, it's the beginning of the night. We are about to head to Mecca for Dolly Sundays. It is Christmas Eve, a couple hours to Christmas, and it's about 11:30 something now. So I don't know if I get a video at all, but this is the look. this is the calm before the storm, and if I do get to vlog, then so be it.
Last night was a night. Yo, oh my frost.
Never frost.
Yes, I just threw whenever we on video.
But
Mama say, glad me come out, you know. Glad me come out. Like an excited child. Eh? Everywhere me gone there, we bring Matic in a Dolly Sundays. I want to see a bus blank too. Not go on the most way. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, guys, and big up my jersey from Maestro Sports. You see it? Yeah, it's not a sponsored video, but you know, quality of the jersey is real good. My name in the back as well. Today a Christmas Day, you see it? And we're just out by chaniquegrants. Get some Christmas dinner, you see it?
But
Yeah.
I have to go to KFC first.
Yeah, we have to stop at KFC because our breakfast this.
Hungry, and as much as nobody wants space for the food, we can't go there hungry and the food not ready.
True. So you don't know that though. Yeah, so we take care. Hopefully we show you some more things that go on the day. You understand me? Big up on yourselves too, you know? KFC. Where you just say? The woman could cook for my yard?
Yeah,
so you could cook? Come on. Stop that. Him good like just catch up his stomach to before. Come on, stop that. Guys, I'm telling you about woman. Some dirty style, you know. Yeah.
Hello. Hi. She said just a sec.
Yeah.
Can I get a big deal?
A flavor chicken for a big deal.
Original leg,
Spicy
rib,
barbecue
and
breast.
barbecue breast.
Anything else?
No.
And a biscuit.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
I think I want 445. So guys, they actually got our order right. Looking lovely, biscuit looking Oh my god. I'm out of water though. Stop being greedy. Can you hear me, brother? Humming up.